Katerina Panopoulou, Managing Director of OHB Hellas and part of OHB Group since 2012. OHB Group is one of the leading independent forces in European space industry, providing end-to-end solutions for satellites and space systems, launchers, ground systems, and satellite operations. OHB Hellas is one of the youngest subsidiaries of OHB Group and was established in Athens in 2018. The company retains premises also in Patras and recently in Crete, expanding the technological expertise to advanced manufacturing, orbital high-performance computing, and ground systems. Our orbital high-performance computing team focuses on developing high-performance data processing solutions on board satellites, promoting space technologies made in Greece, and complementing the competencies of OHB Group. Our team of satellites and ground systems is specialized in providing advanced complete solutions from space system engineering and mission analysis to ground station technology and services.
In the advanced manufacturing department, one of the main areas of our focus is the development of polymer-based additive manufacturing techniques for space and aerospace applications. Selective metallization on 3D printed surfaces, performance analysis of printing methods, and state-of-the-art research upon in-space manufacturing technologies summarize some of the main department's additive manufacturing-related projects.
Our study for ROLIAC project assessed the feasibility of implementing this technology in the military domain through an interview-based survey with representatives from various European ministries of defense. The survey covered areas of general awareness, military applications, and expectations regarding on-site additive manufacturing, combining both closed and open-ended questions. The survey concludes that while additive manufacturing is widely recognized as a valuable asset for the defense sector, its successful integration depends on addressing logistical constraints, limitations in infrastructure, technical training of selected groups of personnel, and security concerns, with tailored solutions for the different military environments. Addressing these issues would accelerate the integration of 3D printing and pave the way for a more efficient and self-sustaining military through additive manufacturing.
Our survey embodies ROLIAC project's technical work and provides us with insights on the feasibility of onboard additive manufacturing applications. ROLIAC Consortium, with partners from 7 different European countries, aims to shape the future of European defense autonomy and capability, leveraging the power of additive manufacturing. By pushing the boundaries of innovation, ROLIAC is leading technological developments from the design stage to production and quality control, defining the overall crucial impact of additive manufacturing on supply chains in defense sector. OHB Hellas promotes innovative research in this field among the OHB Group, leading also the development of space technologies, industries and activities in Greece. Our team dynamically evolves in the direction of space democratization in line with the European Union's space and defense policy.